Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value. And if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
Live. We are live, Rincon Rocks Radio, bringing you the best of elite investor credit investors advisors, and we're going to talk a little bit about personalized credit, business credit, and of course, naturally, we're going to be trading the NASDAQ on the stock market. We have Miss Emma with us this morning. Miss Emma, tell us a little bit about what you got going on out there.
Hello, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Yes, with Elite Credit and Investment Advisor, we're still working very hard on training every day. So anyone out there watching today, if you are interested to learn into crypto trading or you need help in fixing your credit score, just let us know. We have free consultation. You just need to contact me any time of the day, or you can also enroll our free class, Zoom class training for our crypto trading. So join with us today as we allow you to watch and learn the live trading using our TradingView platform. So good morning, everybody.
All right, so we're in a long trade already set up on the NASDAQ E-mini futures here this morning. We got in just before the market opened, and it's been open about 5 minutes, so it's trending. The green candle's moving up toward, we're trading bullish, so we're looking for the green candle to trade up. And it's going up right as we speak, heading up there toward a profit. We do want to thank, special thanks to two new sponsors that came on board with us over the weekend. We were in Mayagüez, Puerto Rico over the weekend for at La Barcadia or La Barcadia for the Benito Bowl. We were live there last night. We want to thank them for coming on as a full-blown sponsor. And in addition, we have Iglesia La Familia in Rincon came on board for a full-blown sponsorship as well. So you'll see commercials for them coming on throughout. And they are announcing that they have Super Sunday next Sunday, 15th. Super Sunday, bring a friend, a family, a relative here in Rincon to Iglesia La Familia, the 15th at 10 a.m. Calle number 8, Caja 2763 in Stella, Rincon over here. And that is a bilingual service. So, well, more than welcome, La Familia. You'll see those commercials coming up as we go. And we'll talk just a little bit about this income coming up. We are trading a $1,000 position for contracts. We've got 5 contracts out this morning. 5 contracts are trading we're looking at generating $5,000 in profit this morning. So with that in mind, we're going to watch the trending of the candles as they move up. And as I was mentioning earlier, we will come back right after a word from our sponsor.
Elite Trading is offering a risk-free training program at 9:30 a.m. Monday through Friday and 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. Learn the ups and downs and ins and outs of the stock market on a free Zoom class without risking even $1 of your own money. Whether you're completely new to trading or you've been burned before, this program removes the biggest barrier to learning. No upfront costs, no hidden fees, no pressure to invest your own capital. Just pure education from experienced traders who understand that knowledge comes before profit. You'll discover proven strategies, risk management techniques, and market analysis skills that typically cost thousands to learn elsewhere. Join us online at EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-208-417-5655. Don't let fear keep you from financial education.
Former Nobel Prize student reveals how $500 becomes 50 KLA using secret wealth pillars. Meet Dr. Cam Todd, known as the Crypto Samurai. He studied under Robert Shiller, the Nobel Prize-winning Yale economist who predicted both the dot-com crash and the housing bubble. Now, Dr. Todd has written 7 books on cryptocurrency and blockchain, and he's taking that elite-level knowledge to the masses. Operating from Puerto Rico under Act 60, he's developed the 3 pillars of wealth system that transforms small investments into substantial returns. His mission? To give everyday investors the same tools and strategies that the financial elite use to build generational wealth. If you're ready to think like the pros and turn your modest savings into real wealth, the Crypto Samurai is about to show you exactly how it's done.
All right, so that's why we are in the market today, why we trade, why we do what we do. You always want to look at your why every day that you get up, in whatever circumstances you find yourself in. Whether you have some bills to pay, you need to get some things taken care of, whether you got plenty of money and you've got plenty of savings till the end of your life, wherever you're at, you could always, if you examine it, you could always improve your situation. And to do that, you need to master, everyone on the planet needs to master the 3 pillars of wealth. The 3 pillars of wealth, we have books published and they're on Amazon right now. We also have free digital copies to anybody that wants to call 1-877-587-4540 or 4540. Talk to Miss Emma. She'll send you a digital copy of anything we got, completely free of charge. We do have a free level of interaction with everything we do. We're currently doing a free broadcast of a live trade. This is the live stock market data. This got the E-mini 100s on it, and it's got the S&P 500 included, the Dow Jones. This is a live stock market real-time data coming to you from the Chicago Merchandise Exchange. So take a good close look at it as that green candle moves up right there into the profit structure. It's just about to turn green. When it turns green, that indicates profit. And we can always take anything from the profit structure up and put it into the bank. So that's what we're doing. We do it so that anybody can gain knowledge for free. We've generally got slots available for our free Zoom classes. If at some point you do decide that you want personalized training, we have packages available for that. We don't do that for any other reason than it's important to us for everyone to see that anyone can learn and be educated in the area of trading on the stock market completely free. We can plug you into a TradingView account for free for 30 days. Give that a whirl, check it out. And if you enjoy it and you seem to be good at it and you're winning more than you're losing, so to speak, then we've got some ways for you to work your way up slowly but surely without using any real capital. So bearing that in mind, we'll play another quick little view. I've got something for you on personal credit. Take a look at your personal credit, and it's anything but 800 or above. You need to take a look at that. We've used Dispute Beast with AI Credit Repair, and it's a fantastic program. I'm going to run a little video on that real quick.
I went from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover. And the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now, because seating is actually limited. And I'm not just saying that.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 Pillars of Wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.
And we're back. While we wait for that green candle to cross over, let's talk about a little bit of what we do to determine when we get into trade, or why we're getting into trade today, why we're getting into trade now instead of later, and that sort of thing. So the beginning is the market opens at 9:30, but the studying of the market starts way before that. I generally get started about 5:30 and take a good look at the market. This little lightning bolt in the center of your trading view right here, if we click it, it pulls up information and news from as quick as this 2 hours ago. It says Wall Street futures slip as AI uncertainly persists. Jobs inflation data is on tap. 2 hours ago as well, Tokyo market took off, showed a market increase. So there's news information. You need to stay up on that. That's available there. Then you can come over here and hit the little button on the side, and you can see where everything's trading. Is it trading up? Is it trading down? Is it higher or lower than the highest low, or the lowest low, the highest high, the highest or the lowest high from Friday? All right, all that data, that's called working on the technical data. You need to study the fundamentals of the stocks that you're trading if you want to trade individual stocks. We trade the NASDAQ E-mini futures, so we study the entire NASDAQ market, 1,450 stocks in all. We have to study all of the data to see whether it's going to be an up or a down day. Well, what is an up or a down day? Well, it's real simple. If we click this button right here, the little circle, it's going to show us where the market was. Here's the lowest low. Here's the highest high up here. When this was, we pull up, when we hover over that little spot, it tells us what day. Looks like this lowest low was Monday, the February 20, so Monday 26/703. This was today, earlier. All right, and we are moving. We popped open here. We went up to here, come back a little tracement. There's a trend across here. Went up here, came back, had a small downturn right here, and now it's climbing up. So logic's going to tell you, as well as scientific evidence, that where we're in right here, it's going to return to this high right here. That's a good 5-block move. So there's no doubt as the day trains on, then it's trending up. There's no indicator at all that it's going to be a down day. We are trading at around the $25,000 mark, which is where it needs to be. And everything indicates an upward movement, or a trend toward up, or long, as we say in the business. So it's trading long. We're in. It's going to be profitable. And what increment? We don't know. Will it be a $1,000 day, a $5,000 day, a $10,000 day? It all depends on how many contracts or units you're trading. We're currently trading 5 units. And if we trade 5 units for the length of time that it takes to go from here, this blue line up to this green, that's a $500 move. Okay, that's as simple as it gets. So we want to target somewhere in the neighborhood of $100, $300, $500 a day, every day. I'll give you some idea where that is. Well, you naturally know if you're making $500 a day and you trade Monday through Friday, that's an extra $2,500 a week, which is an extra $10,000 a month. That's, you can make some bills. You can pay some things off for that. So we can show you how to get in, how to trade, how to move things around a little, completely on your own. You're going to start with TradingView software, and what we're talking about, of course, is how to learn the ins and outs and the ups and downs of the business. And as we, as you go, you get better and better. You can enlist in companies that offer prop firms, for example. And a prop firm that we are familiar with is Top One Futures. That's a prop firm that will act. You can actually purchase an account with for very little money, a couple $100, you can have $50,000 worth of trading value. To practice trading with that, and when you get good, and then watch your trades, and you've shown that you can trade, you can profit more than you lose, then you have an option to turn that into genuine money, real money, and keep 80%. They keep 20, you keep 80. So all of that's possible to learn if you trade with us over some time. We'd love to show you the ins and outs and ups and downs of it. Until then, we're going to play a little something for you to learn from.
If you're ready to take your lifestyle from ordinary to extraordinary, you need Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Let's make it happen. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe luxury isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Whether you're building wealth, improving your credit, or seizing exclusive investment opportunities, we provide the expert strategy and personalized guidance you need to reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine living the life you've always dreamed of. Luxurious homes, exotic cars, stunning vacations. With our 24/7 service and free risk-free evaluations, we're here to make that dream a reality. Why settle for less when you can have more? Elevate your financial future today. Let us help you design a life of luxury and prosperity. Remember, your dream lifestyle isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you to take the first step. Call us anytime at 877-587-4540. Let's start building your luxury lifestyle now. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Your journey to luxury starts now.
And we're back. Watching again as the green candle trends. It's making its climb toward the top. It's going to reach up there toward the blue line, and then it'll be in the profit. Generally, like to see it make a profit before we jump off, if at all possible. We generally get in about 9:30. We try to stay till 10, so we got another good 9 or 10 minutes left. If not, we just let it trend, work its way up. We have a couple options here. We can actually click this little blue button in the middle and reverse our trend, which would allow us to trade the red candles going down, make a profit that way. Or we can jump completely out. We can exit the trade. And if we exit the trade, then we can, of course, place another trade later in what we consider a more profitable spot. But mostly and finally, most importantly, when we place the trade, we want to wait and let the trade play out. Patience is everything in this game, because you understand the market enough to know that what goes up must come down, what goes down must go back up. And we got in right in the middle, the smack dab middle of this indicator right here that shows that it's going to go back up. It's trade slowly back up to where it was earlier, which is here. Okay, we can see the $500 profit map. So we're going to let that trade just a little bit and hear a little something from Paradise Falls Taxi.
If your beach day looks like a parking struggle, you're doing it wrong. Ride with Paradise Falls Taxi. Whether you're catching a flight, hitting the beach, or exploring hidden gems, we've got you covered, local and island-wide. Fast, friendly, and always reliable. Call 787-546-3252 now, or visit us online for your free quote. Don't wait. Ride with the best in Rincon. Paradise Falls Taxi Service, where paradise takes you.
All right. And as we're watching the trend down, we watch it do what we call bouncing. And you know, before the theory is before that it gets much further than this lowest low right here, generally will bounce down and then trend back up to the profit. Sometimes even bouncing up, crossing the profit line, and continuing to go on what we like to call a streak, trading streak, up here and touch the profit, because it has bounced just like a ball bounces off the ground, and it's going to bounce further and further and further up to give us the profit here. So see if I can make that just a little bigger for you so you can see the green and red candles. And if so, we'll narrow that margin down a little, make it a little more realistic, so it's not nearly as far to go when you do that. Let's see, stretch that out a little. There we go. Now we get a first-hand glue. You can kind of see the trend a little better that way. We're gonna let that trade. All right, let's listen to a little something from Mike the Credit Guy. He's with Dispute Beast. He's gonna explain to you how you can start for absolutely free trading with us, visit with us, get locked in. If you do decide to do the Dispute Beast AI credit repair system, there's nothing to it. You point and click, and for $49.95 a month, they repair your credit. I've seen credit go up 200, 300, even 400 points in as little as 90 days. So let's.
This is exactly how I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off. So let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality because you can't escape something you won't look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. Then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now moving to step number 3, master one high income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank are giving you absolutely nothing to hold your money in their bank. It's time to make smart moves with your money. Now moving on to step number 5, get a side hustle that scales. Uber's fine, but at the end of the day, it's a dead end. Instead, you could do things like flip items on eBay, create digital products, run a content page, start affiliate marketing, something that can grow even when you sleep. Because remember, trading time for money forever equals modern day slavery. Step number 6, automate 3 key habits. This is crucial. It's what I call the set it and forget it. Number 1, auto transfer $100 a month to savings. Put it away and don't even look at it. It's like it doesn't exist. Number 2, auto pay your credit cards to pay off in full every single month. We don't pay these banks any interest fees. If you don't have the money to pay it, don't use a credit card. It's that simple. And number 3, my favorite, auto invest $20 a week into an index fund. Even small amounts done consistently will stack faster than you ever think. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget Destiny. Destiny's credit score went up 264 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Luis, Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Tanya, Tanya's credit score went up 289 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Christian's credit score went up 366 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And let's not forget about Allison. Allison's credit score went up 204 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. But specifically to Brandon, Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just two rounds with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Moving on to step number 7. This is my favorite because...
And we're back. That's my credit guy. Mike and I work together with Dispute Beast, which is the AI credit repair program. And I use it continuously on a regular basis. My personal credit is going up and up and up. Personally, I'm trying to do to get the magical formula for 850. I'd love to be over 800 and get that rolling. Just hit the Dispute Beast button and it takes care of everything for you. It sends out your dispute letters. It's automated. Dispute Beast is different because they understand the algorithm and they use a machine behind the scenes that talks to the credit repair bureaus, all three of them. So it's very, very powerful. It's very economical at $49.95 a month. We are an affiliate and instructors on the use of AI credit repair. Moving on, the second pillar is business personal development business credit. We can help you get your EIN, your Duns & Bradstreet number, your business address, your business phone number, and get started building business credit. Business credit's critical. You're going to own your own business because you can build business credit. Of course, those of you that know, personal credit is built on your social security number. You can build it from wherever it's at to 850. Business credit is not built on your social at all. It's built on your EIN number, and it's 0 to 100. You build your business credit up. You can use those business credit cards to pay for anything that the business may have as an expense, including a salary to you. So this is one of those things where you're building another stream of income through whatever it is that you may be interested in. So with that, business credit building, personalized credit repair and building, and business credit, business and building, and finally stock market. All right. So the general assumption is risk versus reward. The truth is, if you risk nothing, you risk everything. Like Mike said, I say this every single day, wherever you're at financially, you're trading time for money. That is the equivalent of modern day slavery. You can't work enough hours to build enough wealth logistically on your own to make things happen. You've got to learn to leverage your assets by investing, and this is a really, really good program to learn how to invest completely risk-free with a free TradingView platform. We will get you started. We'll point you in the right direction. We will show you everything we know, and we are both in continuing education. Our entire team is with a program by Robert Shiller, who is a Nobel Prize winner for economic expertise. He's from Yale University. He's a tenured professor. Can't go wrong. With that, I'm going to give you, let you hear from Miss Emma for a few minutes while she talks about all the advantages and things we can do here in our program. Emma?
Okay, well, thank you so much, sir. Again, every day we're still, we still have available slots if you are interested for a free Zoom classes training for the crypto trading, or if you want to have a free consultation about your credit score. If it starts with 4, 5, or 6, we can help you in that using Dispute Best. And then we also have the Credit Mastery program. We have the 30 days, 90 days program that we can assist you. Plus, we also have different packages that we offer on our website. So please do visit our website, www.eletcreditandinvestmentadvisor.com. You can put your information in our contact form, and we're gonna reply you right away, or we can call you anytime of the day to give you available slot for the Zoom training. Or if you have any questions, you can send us an email with the email provided on our website. You can comment down on our Facebook pages, and please do like, share, and subscribe with our YouTube channel so that there's a lot of people that can view our trading every day for a bigger opportunity to everybody to learn into crypto trades. So again, call me at 877-587-4540, and I'll be your consultant every day for the Elite Credit and Investment Advisor. So God bless and see you tomorrow.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best-kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anaida Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.